ಹಾಯ್ ಹಲೋ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿವ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶಿವರಾಜ್ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ವರ್ಷದ SSLC ಪರೀಕ್ಷಾ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆ ವಿನ್ಯಾಸ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡಿರುವುದು ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿದಿರುವ ವಿಚಾರ. ಈ ಹೊಸ ಮಾದರಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಪ್ರೌಢಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಪರೀಕ್ಷಾ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ನಾನು ಗಣಿತ ವಿಷಯದ 40 ಬಹು ಆಯ್ಕೆಯ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಉತ್ತರಿಸಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಅತಿ ವೇಗವಾಗಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಉತ್ತರಿಸಬಹುದು ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ನನ್ನದೇ ಆದ ವಿಧಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮೂಲಕ ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ. ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯ ಗಣಿತ ವಿಷಯದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಸಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಈಸ್, if a pair of linear equations 3x plus 2ky is equal to 2 and the second equation given is 2x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. That is the second equation. Okay, these are parallel to each other given. What is that? Parallel to each other. And the value of k is we need to find. Okay, here the equations are parallel given. You need to take a1 by a2 a1 by a2, it is equal to b1 by b2. Okay, here a1 is, that is a quotient of x in the first equation. Quotient of x is 3 in the first equation, divided by a2 is the quotient of x in the second equation, that is 2. It is equal to b1 is quotient of y in the first equation, that is 2k. b2 is quotient of y in the second equation, that is 5. So here transfer 5 to left side, here division there, that get transferred to get multiplication with 3. So what is that? 3 into 5, that is equal to, again 2 transfer to right side, that gets multiplication with 2k. So 2 into 2k. So here 3 5 is a 15, that is equal to 2 2 is a 4k. Okay, now again 4 is multiplied with k, transfer to left, that get division, that is 15 divided by 4, that is equal to k. What is the value of k here? 15 by 4. Which is the right answer? Option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Okay, that is 15 by 4. That is the first question. Okay, see, next we will pass on to second question. Observe the second question. What is given here? Second question is, the pair of linear equations 2x plus 5y plus 4 is equal to 0. Then the second question is 2x plus y minus 8 is equal to 0. As options given, that is exactly 2 solutions. Option B, infinitely many solutions. Option C, a unique solution. Option D, no solution. So for this question, first we need to find the ratios of the coefficient. See, what is the ratios of coefficient means? That is a1 by a2. We need to find a1 by a2 here. What is that? a1 is quotient of x in the first equation, that is 2, by a2 is the quotient of x in the second equation, that is 2. So 2 by 2 we get 1. Okay, and next we will find b1 by b2. See, I explained in the last question. In the same way here also you find ratio of the b1 and b2. Here b1 is coefficient of y in the first equation, that is what? That is minus 5. That is what? Minus 5. So here a1 by a2 got 1. Here b1 by b2, it is equal to minus 5 divided by b2 is the quotient of y in the second equation. No one quotient means that is taken as 1. What we get? Minus 5 by 1 is minus 5. See, observe a1 by a2 a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, no? So a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, you need to take that equations have unique solution. What is that? The equations have unique solution. Option C is the right answer. So next we will pass on to third question. What is the third question here? The value of x and y when the point lies on the linear equation. When the point lies in the linear equation. See, the equation is given that 2x minus 3y that is equal to 12 given. Here the value of x and value of y we need to find. See, observe that suppose here we 2x minus 3y we get 12 means you need to give the value of x here. Suppose you give value of x is equal to 3. Value of x is equal to 3. What we get? 2 into x, that we get 2 into 3. Get 6 now. In the same way, minus 3y there. For minus 3y, you need to take value of y is minus 2. So 3 into minus 2. Again minus 3 there, no. Minus into minus plus. So that is 3 to the 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So that's why the value of x is 3 and the value of y is minus 2. So that is the option C is the right answer. What is that? Option C is the right answer because these two are the satisfies the given equation. Okay, option C is right. Understand? So next we will pass on to fourth question. What is that fourth question here? Wait. Yes, fourth question is identify the wrong statement with respect to a pair of linear equations. Which is a wrong statement here? You select that. See, options given that option A is if the lines are parallel there is no solution. Yes, it is a right statement. When the two lines are parallel there is no solution. Okay. Option B given if the lines are perpendicular to each other there is no solution. If the lines are perpendicular to each other there is no solution given. That is a wrong statement. So that's why you don't check three option C and option D. You select that option B is the right answer for the given fourth question because they are given identify the wrong statement. So option B is the wrong statement. You need to take B is the right answer. Okay, got it? Okay, next we will pass on to fifth question. What is that fifth question? The 10th term of an arithmetic progression is, so you know the 10th term A10 that is equal to what? A10 is A plus 9D. Okay, here a given that is first number 3 minus 3. You need to find that common difference. What is that common difference here? Here d is equal to a2 minus a1. Okay, here a2 minus a1 is a2 is minus 1, a1 minus a1 is minus 3, again minus into minus plus 3, so d is plus 2. Got it? D is plus 2. Means the arithmetic progression is increases with 2 unit. So that's why you need to take D is equal to 2. Then 10th term A10 is equal to what? A plus 9D. So A is minus 3, that is first term, plus 9 into D is, that is 2. Already we know that, no? So 9 2s are 18 here, minus 3 as it is. Here minus plus we need to subtract, the 18 minus 3 is 15, the greater number is plus sign, that's why plus 15 is the answer. Which is a plus 15 is option D is the right answer. For option D is the right answer. Okay. Next we will pass on to sixth question. What is the sixth question here? The nth term of an AP. The nth term of an AP is given that an is equal to 7 minus 4n. Then the common difference is, for the common difference you need to find a1 first term. You take it as n is equal to 1, you will get a1, that is equal to, replace n by 1, you will get 7 minus 4 into 1 is, n is 1 only. So 7 minus 4 1 is 4, 7 minus 4 is 3, that is first term. Now you find that second term. For n is equal to 2, you will take that a2, that is equal to, replace n by 2. So 7 minus 4 into 2, what we get? So a2 is 7 minus 4 to the 8. 7 minus 8 is minus 1. Okay, so here you find the common difference now. Common difference means d is equal to what? a2 minus a1. a2 is minus 1, a1 is 3. So what we get? Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. So minus 4 means option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Got it? Okay, I think you are understood. So next we will pass on to seventh question. What is that seventh question here? Seventh question given that if 4 comma a comma b comma 28 are in arithmetic progression, then the value of b is, see, observe that we are, first we need to find common difference here. Okay, common difference means this first term is 4 given, that is a is equal to 4. Okay, and the fourth term is, that is 28. Fourth term is a4, that is 28. You know that a4 means a plus 3d. Okay, here a plus 3d is equal to what? 28. So here we know that a is 4, so substitute here 4. Then 4 plus 3d is equal to what? 28. Transfer 4 on left side, we get subtract. So what we get? 3d is equal to 28 minus 4, we get 24. So then d is equal to 3 ones are 3 eights are. So d is equal to what? 8. If d got 8 means, what is it? Value of b. See, b is the preceding term for 28, fourth term. B is the third term which is preceding for fourth term. So that's why you need to subtract d for fourth term, you will get the third term. So here b is the third term, we need to third term, that is b is equal to what? a4 minus d. So here a4 is 28 minus d is 8. So we got 28 minus 8 is 20. That is the third term which is at B. So here the question given value of B. So option B, option A is the right answer. Got it? So this is shortcut to find the values. Okay. So next we will pass on to eighth question. What is the eighth question given here? Two arithmetic progression has the same common difference. If the first term of the first progression is 3 and that of the other is 8, then the common difference between the third term is. So here options given that option A is 2, option A is 2, option B is 3, option C is 4, option D is 5. So here first we need to find third term of first AP and second AP. See, observe that the first AP, two arithmetic progression of same common difference given. So that's why I collect the data here. What is that? First AP. See, observe. First AP. Second AP. I will collect the data for each AP. Okay. So here first AP is first term, that is given that 3. Okay. For the second AP, the first term is given that, what is that? 8. Okay. Then the common difference for both term is same you call it as D only, is the common difference, both same only. We need to find difference of third term, means that is A3 in the first AP minus A3 in the second AP. The first AP, that is second AP. Okay, they asked difference between the third term, difference between their third term given. That's why you need to take A plus 2D minus A plus 2D in the second AP. See that first AP, that is 3 plus 2D minus A is 8, minus into my plus minus 2D. See, plus 2D minus D get cancelled. So 8 minus 3, that is 8 minus 3 is minus 5. So the difference given means you always take positive, because the difference always take subtract smaller from greater number. So option D is the right answer. I think you are understood. Okay, got it? Okay, next we will pass on to ninth question. See that ninth question given that, what is that? Sum of first n terms of an AP. Sum of first n terms of an AP is given by the formula Sn is equal to 3n square plus n. Then its third term is, we need to find third term of the AP. Here you give the value of n, See, observe that first we need to find value of s. S is equal to s3, because say here first you find s3, so that's why we need to take n is equal to 3. So we take s3 is equal to 3 into 3 square plus 3. So what we get, 3 into 3 square is 9. Okay, plus 3. 3 9 is 27, plus 3 is 30. So that is what? Sum of first three terms. Okay. Now you take that n is equal to 2. What we get, s2 is equal to 3 into 2 square plus n is 2. Okay. 3 as it is, 2 square is 4 plus 2. 3 4s are 12 plus 2 is what? S2 is equal to 12 plus 2 is 14. Okay, so now you subtract s2 from s3, you will get third term. Okay, here that the third term, 30 minus 14, 30 minus 14 is what? 16. 16 is the third term. So which is the right answer here? Option B is right answer. Okay, I think you understood. See, first, next we will pass on to 10th question. What is the 10th question here? The constant term in the quadratic equation 3x square minus 3 into 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. After reducing it to the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here the 3x square, that is the first term, as it is, take as it is, which is that 3x square as it is. Again minus 3 multiplied with both terms, that is 2x and also minus 4, 2x and also minus 4, that is minus 3 into 2x is minus 6x. So again minus 3 into minus 4 is minus into plus, minus into minus plus, then 3 4s are 12. Okay, so which is a constant term? It is already in standard form, so which is constant here? Plus 12. So option D is the right answer. Got it? Okay. So next we will pass on to 11th question. Here one root of the quadratic equation that is given is minus 5. Then the other root is, we will find other root. See, observe that the product of two terms given, the product of two term is equal to 0, means any of one or both equal to 0. So that's why you need to take 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 means 2x is equal to minus 3 get plus, then x is equal to 3 by 2. That is the other root. Okay, one root is r given that x plus 5 is equal to 0 also. So x is equal to transfer minus 5. Minus 5 is the one root. Then the other root is 3 by 2. X is equal to 3 by 2 is, here is the option C is the right answer. Okay, that is what? X is equal to 3 by 2. Got it? Okay. So next we will pass on to 12th question. What is the 12th question here? The nature of the root of the quadratic equation is, which is x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 r, which is the nature. Nature of the roots depend upon delta, that is b square is equal to b square minus 4ac is. If it is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. If it is positive, the roots are real and distinct. If it is negative, the roots are not real, they are imaginary. Okay, so we will find that b square minus 4ac here. B is quotient of x. Okay, which is the quotient of x here? Minus 2. Minus 2 is the quotient of x, that is minus 2 whole square, that is the value of b, minus 4 into a is quotient of x square. No one quotient of x square means take it as 1. Then c is a constant term, that is 1 only. So minus 2 square get 4 only, positive only, minus into minus plus. So then minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 is 0. So delta is equal to 0 means then the roots are real and equal. Which is the right option? Option A is the right. Real and equal. Suppose the delta is greater than 0, that means positive. The roots are real and distinct. Okay. Here the option B, option C, option D are all are wrong only. Okay. Next we will pose on to 13th question. What is the 13th question here? The sum of squares of two consecutive odd numbers is 394. The mathematical equation for the above statement is, see, sum of the squares of the two consecutive odd numbers. See, I consider x is a odd number. We will take next odd number is again x plus 2 is a next odd number, because these two are consecutive numbers. See, I consider one is a odd number means next odd number it is available by adding. It is obtained by adding plus 2. What we get? 3. No, 1 3 is a consecutive odd numbers. That's why you need to take the consecutive odd numbers are and x plus 2. See, for even number also you should take x and x plus 2 are the consecutive even numbers. So they are given that sum of the squares. Sum of the square means you have to take that x square plus x plus 2 whole square. That sum of the squares, that is equal to what? 394. Which is the right option? The right option is option B is the right option, because x square plus x plus 2 whole square is 394. Option B is the right answer. Got it? Okay. So next we will pass on to 14th question. What is that 14th question here? In the given figure, angle B is 90 degree, that is given figure, angle B 90 degree. Then AB given, that is 6 centimeter. BC given, that is 8 centimeter. Then AC given, that is 10 centimeter. Then the value of sine 90 minus theta. See, sine 90 minus theta what? Cos theta. We need to find cos theta here, that is sine 90 minus theta. What is that cos theta is? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. See, observe that theta is C means then the opposite is AB is opposite, then BC is adjacent, then hypotenuse is AC. It is always opposite to right angle. So we need to find cos theta here. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Here adjacent is 8. 8 by hypotenuse is 10. 8 by 10. So option D is the right answer. Got it? Okay, so next we will pass on to 15th question. See that 15th question, if 2 sine 2 theta, if 2 sine 2 theta is root 3, then the value of theta given. See, observe that. So here we need to take 2 to right side. Here 2, it is multiplied with sine 2 theta. That's why you need to take 2 to right side, that get division. So what we get, sine 2 theta is root 3 by 2. See, we need to cancel sine ratio. That's why root 3 also express in sine. So what is that? Sine 60. Root 3 by 2 is sine 60 here. So what is that? Sine 2 theta is equal to sine 60. Then sine get cancelled. 2 theta is equal to 60. So then theta is equal to 60 by 2. We get 2 ones are 230. The theta is 30 degree. Option C is the right answer. Okay, got it? Okay, so next we will pass on to 16th question. Observe the 16th question. See, the in a circle with center O given, AC is a tangent given. This is a tangent at A. OC given, that is 4 centimeter, and the angle ACO given. What is it? ACO, that is how much? ACO is 30 degree given. See, observe, this is a theta, 30 degree. We need to find the radius of circle. So we need to find OA. Okay, OA is radius of circle. So here you apply trigonometry, you will get easily. See, observe that sine theta, it is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Here opposite is what? Here opposite is theta is C, means opposite is OA. O is the opposite. Then OC is hypotenuse, because it is opposite to right angle. Because radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other, no? That's why you need to take hypotenuse is what? OC, opposite is OA. So you apply sine, you will get the value of what? OA. What is that? Sine theta. Sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So here theta is what? 30 degree. That is equal to opposite is, we need to find radius, that is OA, by hypotenuse is, that is given 4 cm. Sine 30 is 1 by 2 now. 1 by 2 is equal to OA by 4. So here both denominator, 2 ones are 2 2s are. Okay. So then OA is equal to what? 2 centimeter. See, which is option? Option C is the right answer. Okay, here don't take the concept here circle, you need to take the concept, that is trigonometry. It is easy to find because the hypotenuse given, you need to find opposite. Opposite is the radius, so hypotenuse is distance from center to external point. So it is easy way to calculating the radius of circle. So next 17th, what is that 17th here? If sine theta x is equal to x by y, then cos theta is dash. Here sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So here opposite given, that is x, hypotenuse is given y. See, observe, see cos theta what? Cos theta is equal to what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse is y, no? See, observe in the option, where is denominator y? So that is the right answer. Don't calculate any other. See, in the three options, no y in the denominator. That's why these are wrong. You select that D only. Understand? This is shortcut to finding. Okay, so for 18th question, see, observe sin a plus sin square a is equal to 1. You need to find cos square a plus cos to the power 4a. Means, see, first you take that what is given in the question. What is that? Sin A given, sin A plus sin square A, that is equal to 1. See, you have to transfer sin square on right side. We get sin A is equal to what? 1 minus sin square A. Is it right? Okay. 1 by sin square theta what? Cos square theta, no. So that's why you take it as cos square A. Okay. Sin A is equal to what? Sin A is equal to, we got sin A is equal to 1 minus sin square got, that is cos square A. For cos square A you take sin A. Okay. Cos to the power 4A means square it. You will get that sin square A. So sin A plus sin square A 1. Cos square A plus cos to the power 4A also 1. So what is the value of cos square A plus cos to the power 4A is 1. No? That is answer D is written. Get it? Okay. Okay, I will continue in next class.